Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can use Amazon gift card. It is quite simple process. First of all, log into your Amazon account. For that, I'm going to use Chrome browser. After opening your browser, now what you're going to do is go to the search bar and start typing www.amazon.com. Now what this is going to do is take you to the official website of Amazon. Here you can see we are now on the official website of Amazon. Now that you are on the website, here make sure that you are logged into your account. After making sure that you are logged in, what you're going to do is click on account and list right here. You can see, click on it. And in here, you will be able to see the option of gift cards. Now, right now, what we're going to do is redeem your gift card, physical or virtual gift card. Click on it. And in here, you will be able to see two different options: reload your balance, redeem a gift card. Simply just click on this option, redeem a gift card. And now in here, enter the code of the gift card that you received and simply just click on this apply to your balance. Now what it's going to do is apply this gift card amount to the balance of your account. And when you buy some items, there you'll be able to see the amount of gift card that you just entered. So if that does not work, the next thing that you can do is enter your gift card directly while you are paying. For that, go to your card or choose any items and add it to your card. Here you can see I have 2 items on my card right now. I'm going to proceed the checkout. After you are on this checkout website of the items that you want to buy, here you will be able to see a gift card or voucher promotional code. Here you can see, and here you can enter your code and simply just click on this apply, and then the amount of gift card that you just entered will be minused in here and your subtotal will be changed. And like this, you can use your Amazon gift card. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.